Amanda with Greensboro Public Library. Today's video is inspired by the month of June, which is National Caribbean American Heritage Month. This month is designated to celebrate the diversity in America and the Caribbean culture from founding father Alexander Hamilton to journalist Malcolm Gladwell that have helped to shape the American dream. Today's cookbook highlight is Provisions, The Roots of Caribbean Cooking by Michelle and Suzanne Rousseau. Today we will be making Jamaican Akkra. For your ingredients, you will need canned black-eyed peas, onion, scallion, ginger, jalapeno pepper, garlic, parsley, dried thyme, cornmeal, salt and black pepper, coconut oil, and chutney for serving. Step 1. Place the beans, onion, scallion, ginger, jalapeno pepper, garlic, parsley, dried thyme, and cornmeal in the bowl of a food processor. Process until smooth, adding just enough water, 2 tablespoons to a 1/4 cup, to form a thick paste. Season with salt and pepper. Step 2. Heat about 1 inch of coconut oil in a saute pan over medium-high heat until it shimmers. Step 3. Working in batches, drop spoonfuls of the batter into the hot oil and fry, turning until they are brown on all sides, 4 to 6 minutes. Step 4. Remove to a plate lined with paper towels and keep warm until all the batter has been used up. Step 5. Transfer to a platter and serve with chutney or any sauce of your choosing. All that's left is to eat and enjoy. Thank you for joining me with Cooking with the GPL Collection. I'll see you next time. Have a great day.